When you begin tuning in mindfully to your experience, you may also start to notice your difficulties and struggles. Part of mindfulness is recognizing what you need in this moment. See if you can respond in a way that promotes your well-being and freedom, and not in a way that perpetuates your pain and suffering. This exercise offers a concrete way to pause and look at your needs in a given moment. Sit up as straight as you're able to and gently close the eyes. For this practice, it is helpful to start with a few minutes of concentration practice to truly settle. Pick a location in the body where you can feel the body breathing and tune in to the sensations of the breath for a couple of minutes. Bring to mind a recent situation that you found difficult or painful. Without falling too far into the story, acknowledge how this experience feels in the present moment. With the memory and experience present in your consciousness, ask yourself what you needed in that moment. Focus on general emotional needs like compassion, understanding, and insight. With this difficulty, what would have helped you? When a need pops up, say to yourself, I needed support. Continue to tune into other needs, really pausing to acknowledge each one. After 5 minutes, turn your awareness to your experience in the present. Refraining from stories and goals, ask yourself what you need right now. Let go of thoughts about getting stuff done, completing tasks, and pleasing others. Focus on your deeper needs of self-care, patience, or whatever is true for you in this moment. Wrapping up this exercise, reflect on your own capacity to meet your needs. Can you do something to meet those needs right now? Are there any needs you have that are not within your power to fulfill? Offer yourself self-care, compassion, and patience.